Hello guys, it's me, Ethan the Epical. Today I'm gonna show you how to get a bit good like me. Sorry if there's lag though too. If you want more videos, I would please subscribe. This is my new avatar now. Okay, so wait. In order to become a pro, you just need a lot of fruits and a lot of like trees around here and stuff. I mean, I have those types of stuff. I got an entire blueberry stash. Most of them I get lucky finds. But there's also another way to get good. By getting like the highest amount, like getting a lot of money. I want to sell my inventory too. Like that, and boom. There you go, you got money. So I'm gonna show you how to buy seeds. If you're wondering how to buy seeds, and I'll show you how to use them too. Oh, there's barely even a stock. Let's buy like a tomato seed. Wait, no, I call them tomatoes. Let's buy a tomato seed. You can see it will be in your inventory. So just find a spot, like place it right there. But if you're on mobile, just click the spot you want it to. So I'm on Chromebook, which means it's easier. So that's enough for today's video. Subscribe for sub for more tutorials. See ya.